yes, the Proton is back. Hello, and welcome to Season 2 of DDM. You join me now in our Proton Wira Teksi race car as I am driving to the Netherlands. As you know, we have big plans. Those plans being to swap a 4G93P from the Satria GTI engine. Now, Ruben and myself are very excited to put this engine into the Proton, because that's going to severely increase or better our lap times on the Nürburgring. However, the only problem is now our car is registered in Germany, and although you can swap engines legally in Germany, it's actually much easier to do it in the Netherlands. Considering my brother is working in the Netherlands, we've decided to register the car back to Holland. In order to get the car registered in Holland, we need to drive it there to the inspection and get it done. And that's what we're doing today. But I am running a little bit late, so I'm gonna drop a gear or two and head over to the inspection. Let's go. Cepat, cepat, cepat! Get out of my way! Cepat! Yeah! Proton power! Oh, here we are, the AUTOBAHN, as we say in Holland. Brilliant. We are now at the inspection, which is right behind me. We're just waiting here. I'll show you in a minute how this all kind of works. But basically, we paid for everything, we gave all the documentation, and because it's Corona, I'm wearing this mask, obviously. And I have this little buzzer thing, which you probably see in the restaurants, and when it buzzes, I can drive up to the gate. This should be fun. Just to quickly show you guys, here is the inspection. In Holland we call it RDW, or AUTOBAHN. As soon as this little buzzer goes off, I'm gonna drive into one of those gates, and then we can see what's gonna happen. Oh, you know what time it is. Let's go. Yes, it is finished. This car is now going to be registered in the Netherlands. Now we're just gonna wait until everything is done, put into the system, and then we should get our license plate, a yellow one. Haha. In any case, I could not film anything inside, but here are some photos to show you that it did actually happen. Now all that's left to do to our little Proton is to drive it back to the garage, get the new engine swapped in, and then get our inspection, and then it's racing season number 2. Let's do it. Bole. We are safely back from the import station in Holland, back in Germany in DDM garage. This is the last time you will ever see this Proton on our German white plates. The next time you will see it is gonna be with Dutch plates. And once we have those Dutch plates on our Proton Taxi, then we're gonna do something big. And maybe some of you do already know what that is, but let's go show you quickly before we end the video. Oh yes, this is gonna happen. Season 2 is gonna be a fast one.